Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Welcome back to your SST class. Yesterday I have discussed chapter 16 Safety Rules. Before I start the topic, I want to refresh you with the meaning of safety rules. Safety rules means rules that keep us safe from danger, risk, injury, or loss. We should follow safety rules on road, while getting in the bus, while playing, in school or in the classroom, at home. In fact, we should follow safety rules everywhere. We have also discussed some safety rules at home like do not play with matchsticks, lighter or candles as you may get burnt. So you should never play with them. Next safety rule we have done, never play with sharp things like knives or scissors as you may get cut on your finger. Next safety rule, we should never put finger into the socket as we may get an electric shock. Today I will discuss some safety rules to cross the road. Now open your book, page number 75. Safety rules to cross the road. Always look to your left, first right, and then in both the directions. As you can see in this picture also, in order to cross the road, you should always look to your left, then right, and then in the both directions, and only then you should cross the road. Always use the zebra crossing. Children, I have already discussed the term zebra crossing with you. That is, broad white lines on the road. If you want to cross the road, you should always use zebra crossing. Always follow the traffic signals. Children, you must have seen traffic lights on the road. What do the color of the traffic light indicate? Red light says stop, yellow light says wait, and green light says go. So we should follow the traffic signals. When the traffic light is red, you should stop there. If it is yellow, you should wait, and if it is green, only then you should go. Don't run and play on the road. Children, you should never play on the road, or you should never run on the road, as it is not safe and you may get hurt. Now you can see one box is there. Fact. You will learn it. Traffic lights. Green light says go, red light says stop, yellow light says wait. Children, you will learn it. I hope traffic lights are clear to you. Children, you will do this exercise on the copy. Exercise is write safety rules which we should follow at following places. A part is at home. Number 1. Do not play with sharp things. Number 2. Do not touch hot things. Number 3. Do not fight with anyone. Number 4. Do not tease animals. Next B part is on the road. Now we will see the safety rules which we should follow on the road. Number 1. Follow the traffic rules. Number 2. Use zebra crossing. Number 3. Do not run on the road. Number 4. Walk on the footpath. Children, footpath is the path on the road which is used to walk on the road. Now come to your book, page number 76. Today I will discuss B part of quiz zone. B part is circle the correct option. Now two options are given and you will tick the correct option. Number 1 is we can play on the road or in the park. Think where we should play and tick the correct answer. Number 2 is don't play with fire or toy. Think and tick the answer. Number 3 is the green light says stop or go. We have discussed. Think and tick the correct answer. Number 4 is we can cross the road at the zebra or giraffe crossing. We have discussed. Tick the correct answer. I hope this exercise is clear to you. Your homework is learn safety rules at home and to cross the road and complete exercise B. Thank you.